Hello and welcome to Maths with Udom. I still remain your online mathematics tutor, Mr. Okon Udom. And today, we are going to continue from where we stopped. We are going to look at another topic, which is subtraction of fractions with the same denominator. Subtraction of fractions with the same denominators. Okay? Let's start. Okay, subtraction of fractions with the same denominator. The same denominator. To solve this, we use the approach we use when we're doing addition of fractions with the same denominator. So we use the same approach. The only difference is that here we have subtraction sign instead of the addition sign. Is that okay? And we also have two methods we can use to solve problems in this section or in this topic. Okay, so let's look at some examples and then we'll move to the two methods we can use to solve this kind of problems. So let's have our examples. So this example, what do? We are going to simplify these fractions. Okay, simplify the following words. The following fractions. So what are the fractions? Let's get this underlined. Okay. Let's get our examples. Number one. Okay. We have 13 divided by 15 minus 4 over 15. Okay. Let's have number two. Number two, 5 over 21 minus 4 over what? 21. Number three, 7 over 9 minus 2 over 9. And lastly, number 4, 9 over 11. 9 over 11 minus 3 over what? Over 11. So let's look at these four examples. Okay, quick one. Solution. So the first example there, what do we have? We have 13 over 15 minus 4 over 15. Whenever you have fractions with the same denominator, it means their LCM is also the same denominator. Okay? What do I mean by that? We have 15 and 15 as the denominator here. So what will be the LCM of 15 and 15? Okay? The LCM. 15 can go. 15 here 1, 15 here 1. So what is the LCM? 15. Okay? So that's why we don't need to waste time or calculate anything on the LCM, because that is how to get the LCM. So what the next thing to do? We write our division line. 15 and 15 is the LCM. So we'll put 15 right here. Okay? So what do we do with that? How many 15 can go in 15? 1. So we have 1 multiplying our numerator, what? 13. This time around we have the word subtraction sign, negative. Okay? How many 15 can go in 15? 1. 1 times our numerator, what? 4. Okay? So let's continue. So 1 times 13 is 13. Minus 1 times 4 is 4. Over what? 15. From there, what do we have? So 13 take away 4. We get what? We get 9. 9. So we have 9 over what? 15. We cannot leave the answer this way because it can still be simplified. So what do? We move a step further. Okay? So we have 9 divided by 15. What can go between 9 and 15? 3 can go. So 3 in 9 will give us 3. 3 in 15 will give us 5. So our final answer is 3 divided by what? By 5. 3 divided by 5. So this is a proper fraction. So we leave the answer this way because it's a proper what? Fraction. Is that okay? Okay, let's move to the next example, which is example 2. Or before example 2, let me teach you the second method on this. Since the LCM are the same, what do? We can subtract the numerator, okay? Method 2, subtract the numerator as 13, take away 4, and place your result over one of what? The denominators, 15. So 13 take away 4 will give us 9 over 15. And if you simplify further, what do you have? If you simplify further, you get what? You get 3 over what? Over 5. You still get the same answer with the other one using method 2. Okay? So that's how to work this out. Alright. Example 2, quickly. You can see that it's very easy to solve problem this way. Mass is found. Let's go to the second example. Example 2. What do we have? 5 over 21 minus 4 over 21. Okay? So from here, what is the LCM? 21 and 21. The LCM is still 21. Is that okay? So what do we have? 21 in 21 is 1. 1 times numerator 5 minus 21 in 21, 1. 1 times 4. Then we'll come to this side. We'll multiply our numerator. 1 times 5 is 5. Minus 1 times 4 is 4. Place your result over the denominator 21. And finally, 5 minus 4 from the numerator is what? 1 over what? 21. So this is a proper fraction. So we leave our answer this way. Okay? Alright. Example 3. So what do we have in example 3? We have 7 over 9. Take away 2 over what? Over 9. The LCM of 9 and 9 is what? Is 9. How many 9 can go in 9? 1. Okay, so 1 times our numerator 7 minus how many 9 can go in 9? 1. 1 times our numerator 2. Why are we opening the bracket? We are opening the bracket to avoid confusion so that the product will be together. While the other product will also be together without any confusion. So what do we do from here? We multiply the numerators in each of the brackets. So 1 times 7 is 7 minus 1 times 2 is what? Is 2. Place your result over the what? Denominator 9. So the next thing we subtract the numerator. 7 take away 2 will give us 5. Okay? Divided by 9. If you check this, you discover that you cannot simplify further. Why? It's a proper fraction. So you leave your answer that way. Okay? Number 4. So number 4, what do we have? 9 over 11 minus 3 over 11. What is the LCM of 11 and 11? It's 11. How many 11 is 11? 1. 1 times numerator 9 minus how many 11 is in 11? 1. 1 times numerator what? 3. So let's multiply the numerator. 1 times 9. 1 times 9 will give us what? Sorry for that. So 1 times 9 is 9. Take away 1 times 3 is what? Is 3. Divide by what? Our denominator 11. Is that okay? Now we subtract the numerator. 9 take away 3 will give us what? Will give us 6. Divided by what? 11. So this is a proper fraction, which we cannot simplify further. Is that okay? And if you want to use method 2, all you need to do is to subtract the numerator. 9 take away 3 will give us 6. Then 6 over 1 of the what? Denominator. Still get the same answer. That's another quick method to do this. Okay? So that is our examples. So I want to give you the assignments for today. Now let's take our assignments. Okay, let's take our assignments. So that's the assignments. Let's get it underlined. So the assignment is simplify the following what? Fractions. Simplify the following fractions. So what are the fractions? Number 1, 19 over 25. Take away 8 over what? 25. Number 2, 7 over 10. Take away 1 over 10. Okay? Number 3, 14 over 31. Take away 6 over 31. Okay? Number 4, 11 over 14. Take away 3 over 14. And lastly, number 5, 13 over 45. Take away 11 over 45. So these are your assignments. Okay? I want you to solve these assignments and submit your work to your school teachers to mark them, award marks, and do appropriate correction. By so doing, you will get better by the day. Okay? So we have come to the end of today's class. So all you need to do is to like this video, drop your comments in the comment section, share this video to all your friends all over the world, and most importantly, click on the subscribe button. That will encourage us to produce more videos that will be of great benefit to all of you all over the world. And then remember that if you want to become a mathematician, it needs constant practice. So keep on practicing mathematics every day, and then you get better. Is that okay? So until I come your way again next time, I still remain your online mathematics tutor, Mathematician Okun Udom, and I'm saying to you, remain mathematically sound. See you in my next class. Bye for now.